61A, lecture number 24. Announcements. Homework 6 is due tomorrow. The ANTS project is due on Friday, but you get an early bonus point for submitting by tomorrow. We'll have a project party today, and midterm 2 is next Thursday. We posted a Logistics Ed post that describes exam content and review sessions, some of which are run by external student groups, thanks to them. The important thing you need to do this week is fill out the alternate request form if you have any seating or timing requests, such as an alternate time exam, left-handed desk, extended time, a remote exam, or that you want to take the exam in a room that requires masks. So in today's lecture, we're going to put together some topics from the course in an extended demonstration of how to write a longer program. This program is actually based on what was once a course project, but now it's just a lecture. I think you will see some new ideas in this lecture, but there are no new features of the Python programming language or anything like that. The upcoming schedule is that we'll work through this extended example. We'll do some more targeted examples that were actually drawn from previous exams. And then on Monday, we'll have a guest lecture from Pamela Fox, who created the CS Principles course for Khan Academy. She's going to come tell you how to build web apps using everything you already know from the course. On next Wednesday, we won't have a lecture at all to give you some time back since you got to take a midterm on Thursday.